79% of businesses still don't have an accessibility plan in 2025, and that's a massive opportunity for you to stand out. Creating an accessibility roadmap isn't just about avoiding lawsuits. It's about reaching more customers and building a better brand. Start by running both automated and manual audits of your website. Automated tools only catch about 30% of issues, so you need human testers too. Focus first on fixing the big barriers: missing alt text, keyboard navigation problems, poor color contrast, and form issues. Set clear goals based on standards like WCAG 2.2 AA. Create a timeline with short-term fixes for critical issues, mid-term basic compliance, and long-term full integration. Budget for audits, fixes, training, and tools. And don't forget to include some flexibility for unexpected problems. Make accessibility part of your regular development process, not a separate project. Add accessibility requirements to all new features and test during each sprint. Train your entire team on inclusive design principles so everyone understands their role. The most important part? Continuous monitoring. Set up regular automated scans, manual checks, and yearly audits to catch new issues before they impact users. Accessibility isn't a one-time project. It's an ongoing commitment that makes your site better for everyone. Don't wait. Start building your roadmap today and join the 21% of businesses that are doing it right.